Resin film infusion is a way to make strong, lightweight parts. It uses a vacuum to push resin into fibers. This creates a solid material that is good for many uses. Resin film infusion helps make things like boats, cars, and airplanes. This method is popular because it's efficient. It uses less resin than other methods. It also makes parts with a smooth finish. This is because the vacuum removes air bubbles. Resin film infusion is a specialized process. It needs specific materials and steps to be successful. Understanding these is important for good results. Resin film infusion needs special materials. These include a mold, resin film, and reinforcing fibers. The mold gives the part its shape. Resin film is like a thin sheet of plastic. It melts when heated and holds the fibers together. Reinforcing fibers make the part strong. Several tools are also needed. A vacuum pump removes air from the mold. A heat source melts the resin film. Peel ply helps remove the part from the mold. Release film stops the part from sticking. Choosing the right materials is vital. The type of resin and fiber depends on the part's use. For example, a boat hull needs different materials than an airplane wing. Resin film infusion follows specific steps. First, prepare the mold. Clean it and apply release agent. This ensures the part won't stick. Then cut the reinforcing fibers to size and shape. Next, place the fibers in the mold. Cover them with resin film. Seal the edges with sealant tape. This creates a vacuum-tight bag. Then connect the vacuum pump and turn it on. Heat the mold to melt the resin. The vacuum pulls the melted resin through the fibers. Once cured, remove the part from the mold. Resin film infusion has many advantages. It makes strong, lightweight parts. It uses less resin, which saves money. The vacuum removes air bubbles, resulting in a smooth finish. This process is also versatile. It can create parts with complex shapes. It's suitable for various materials, including carbon fiber and fiberglass. These advantages make resin film infusion a popular choice for many industries. From aerospace to automotive, it delivers high-quality results. Section 5. Limitations of resin film infusion. Despite its benefits, resin film infusion has limitations. It requires specialized equipment and skills. The initial setup can be expensive. It may not be suitable for high-volume production. The process can also be time-consuming. Large or complex parts may require longer curing times. This can affect production speed. Understanding these limitations is crucial. It helps determine if resin film infusion is the right choice for a specific project. Section 6. Real-world applications of resin film infusion. Resin film infusion finds use in various industries. It's ideal for making lightweight and strong parts. One example is in the aerospace industry. Airplane parts like wings and fuselage sections benefit from this process. The automotive industry also utilizes resin film infusion. It helps create lightweight car bodies and parts. This improves fuel efficiency without compromising strength. From wind turbine blades to sporting goods, this versatile process has numerous applications. Its ability to create high-performance parts makes it a valuable manufacturing technique. Section 7. Troubleshooting resin film infusion. While resin film infusion is efficient, challenges can arise. One common issue is air leaks in the vacuum bag. These leaks prevent proper resin flow. Using sealant tape properly and inspecting for leaks is crucial. Another challenge is resin not curing properly. This can happen due to incorrect temperature or resin mix ratio. Using calibrated equipment and following instructions carefully is essential. By understanding potential problems and their solutions, successful resin film infusion is achievable. Regular maintenance of equipment also ensures consistent results. Section 8. Conclusion. Key points to remember. Resin film infusion is a valuable process for creating strong, lightweight parts. It involves using a vacuum to infuse resin into reinforcing fibers. This method offers advantages like cost efficiency and high strength. However, it's crucial to be aware of its limitations. The process requires specialized equipment and expertise. It may not be suitable for all production scales. Despite challenges, resin film infusion offers significant benefits for various applications. By understanding its principles and best practices, manufacturers can leverage this technology to create high-performance composite parts. Section 9. Glossary of terms. Resin. A sticky substance that hardens when it dries, used to hold the reinforcing fibers together. Fiber, thin strands of material that make the part strong, like carbon fiber or fiberglass. Vacuum, a space with no air, used to push the resin into the fibers. Mold, a hollow shape that gives the part its form. Curing, the process of the resin hardening. This glossary helps understand the technical terms used in resin film infusion. Familiarizing yourself with these terms will make learning about this process easier.